That mental block that has held you back is ending. You are finally free to choose for yourself. It was imposed by a masculine energy, and you found the courage to release him. He split your energy to vampire you. Fly, raven, fly.